Hey guys, it is Autumn, aka Colorful Squishy. So I have been meaning to film this video for a while now, and right now it is August 5th, and I plan on uploading this right after I record it, unless like something comes up. So this is going to be my July Squishy collection, and I know it's like a week late, but I've just been really busy and I didn't have the time. But when I finally did have the time, I recorded the video and I watched it over, and it was okay. It wasn't the best quality or like time spent on it, so I was like, okay, whatever, I'll go with it. This is the best I got to get it done. And I actually ended up deleting the video off of my phone, so here I am re-recording it. So I have my squishy bin to the left of me, and I'm just going to be picking out stuff randomly and showing it just in a random order. And I'm just going to be sitting it on my desk in front of me, which you all will not be able to see. So I have rambled enough, so you all have come here for squishies, so that is what you are going to get. So it's time. So first off, I have this fish, and I don't believe this has a brand. So I have this. I have this original non-repro Millie the Whale. I love like squishing it because then like air comes out of the packaging and it smells like amazing. I have this Punimaru Tiger animal bun with the acrylic charm or tag and the Punimaru licensing on the back. I have this Cafe Dien banana with the pink ball chain. And there is licensing on the back. Right here it says Nick/Fortune. I have this, oh, I can't think of the word or the character's name. Like a little bread person. Oh, it is so bothering me that I can't think of it. I have this Cafe Dien sugar bun. I had an 8-hour shift at work, so like I am drained. And when it rises, you will be able to see the Nick/Fortune licensing on the back. I have this just kawaii face bun. And this Kurilikuma tagged cooler. This Love Toast. It has this tag. I have this Mochi Pufferfish, which is adorable. I have this original Cafe Dien cream puff with the like charm. Trying to keep it in good condition. I have this penguin bun, which is is it a creamy candy squishy, I think? Yeah, I think. I got it as an extra from Creamy Candy. I have this Cutie Creative mango. Look at this. Look at that squish. It's amazing. Like it's just touching it. Like, it's amazing. With the Cutie Creative licensing. I have this Rilakkuma Drizzle donut. I have this Cafe Dien fake mascot cream puff. I have this mochi seal. I love it. I have this Pom Pom Pirin tagged pudding. And the rubber tag is really cute. The packaging opened. I need to tape it, but I have this other mochi seal. I'm getting the jumbo one of this from a trade, and I'm really excited. I have this Hello Kitty Post Squishy, which I don't really want to squish it too much since someone bought this from me. Licensing on the back. I have this Kiratori bun. This Gaiwu egg, which I've been wanting one of these for ages, and I got this a couple days ago, or maybe like a day ago, and I love it. I have this Hello Kitty Post Squishy, which I think this one is so cute and pretty, with licensing on the back and the tag. I have this Cutie Creative Mango. I love it. I love all my mangoes. I have this Punimaru Panda head bun. With Punimaru licensing on the back. I have this Taiyaki fish. I have this Cutie Creative bread loaf. I don't want to crinkle the packaging. I have this Punimaru Jumbo Bakery cornet. Look at this. Look at that. I can hide. It's so cute. I love it so much. I want to get the other one. So if you have the other one and you want to trade, comment below or DM me on Instagram at Colorful Squishy, because I'm really looking for the vanilla panda. And since I said what I do have, I spoiled the surprise. I have the chocolate kitty one already. Oh, it smells so good. I have another Cutie Creative Mango, which completes my mango set. And I think this one is the prettiest, but the other green one is definitely the squishiest. I have this just little panda bun, which is really cute. She's adorable. I have this banana squishy with a little banana charm. And I have this Punimaru Bakery Crusty Bun. So cute. It smells great. Very squishy. Very pleased. Like, look how big it is. And I have the strawberry one too. I love it. I don't want to defect them, but I love squishing them. The struggle. I have this I Bloom banana. I got this and a strawberry one the other day, and I've already traded away my strawberry one. But I'm getting a mochi seal for it, so it's okay. I have this cream puff, the newly reproduced Cafe Dien one, with Nick/Fortune licensing on the back. I have another one of these Cafe Dien bananas with Nick/Fortune licensing on the back. I have this Ojipan Panda, which is so cute. I have this Buddha Squishy. have this Melon Pan turtle, and I got this as an extra from Polly and Gigi on Mercury, and I love it. Really squishy. I have this Chiba Peanut Cat. And I have a Peanut Cat sticker on my iPad case, and it's so cute. I have this Creamy Candy Penguin bun, which I also got this as an extra from another purchase from them. But it's so expensive purchasing from there. It's like their prices are great, but shipping, it's like $10. Which is like really expensive if you're only buying like one thing, you know. I have this Chickasaw chick. And it has the sticker tag and the rubber tag. And I have this Cheburashka fuzzy head squishy. I still can't believe I got my hands on this. I love it so much. And last but definitely not least, I have my medium I Bloom Peach. Barely smells. I should have kept it in packaging, but it's too late now. So this has been my squishy collection, and I believe I have 45, I think. I think I counted earlier, and hopefully I didn't miscount, because if I did, that'd be really embarrassing. But actually, I don't know, since I packed up some packages. I really don't know how many I have now, but like around 40. So yeah, my squishy collection is growing by the day, and it's making my wallet thinner and thinner, which I do not like, but I do like my squishies. So if you liked this video, give it a big ol' thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this one, then you can subscribe to me. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Colorful Squishy, at Colorful Squishy Spam, and at Colorful Squishy Proof. Those are my 3 accounts that are me. My normal one just for like pictures, my spam one just spam, and proof, just so you know that I am trustworthy. So I hope you liked this video, and I have rambled way too much for one video. So that is it. Bye guys!